Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup with vegetables. First, gather your fresh ingredients like carrots, celery, and onions. Chopping them into uniform, bite-sized pieces is key for even cooking. Next, you'll want to sauté your aromatic vegetables in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This initial step helps to build a rich flavor base for your delicious soup. It's a simple start to a comforting meal. When selecting your vegetables, aim for a good variety to ensure diverse flavors and textures in your soup. Hearty options like potatoes, sweet potatoes, or green beans are excellent choices for a filling meal. Don't forget about leafy greens such as spinach or kale. These are best added towards the end of the cooking process to maintain their vibrant color and nutrients. Feel free to customize with your favorites. Once your vegetables are prepped, add vegetable broth to the pot and bring it to a simmer, cooking until all the vegetables are tender. Season generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs, such as Italian seasoning or bay leaves, to enhance the taste. If you prefer a thicker soup, a cornstarch slurry can be stirred in during the final minutes of cooking. This helps achieve a satisfying, richer consistency. Your homemade vegetable soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm, perhaps alongside some crusty bread for dipping or a classic grilled cheese sandwich for a comforting meal. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or a squeeze of lemon juice can add a bright, fresh finish. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your delicious, nourishing soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.